Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you know even a little about online hosting, you'll know the name WordPress. But are you aware that it also provides managed hosting plans? Designed to make your life easier and your website speedier, WordPress.com Managed Hosting proves itself to be a great hosting provider. Join us as we go through everything it has to offer, from features to support and pricing. If you want to learn more about WordPress.com Managed Hosting, check out our written review at bestreviews.net. Now over to Saskia.
Getting started with WordPress.com Managed Hosting is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Right from the get-go, WordPress.com ensures you choose a relevant and available domain name by suggesting several options based on the goals and aspirations you have for your website. Once you've chosen your free 1-year domain, setting up your site is just as straightforward. WordPress.com guides you through the entire process with an easy-to-follow walkthrough covering every essential step to launch your website. There's even a handy checklist to help you track your progress. We found this particularly useful as it ensures everything is set up correctly without missing any important steps. WordPress.com continues to engage with you as you go through the setup, offering prompts based on the website's goals. Despite the platform's many powerful features, the interface remains intuitive and clear. That said, it may take a little time to get used to it all if you're new to WordPress. Performance is another big plus of WordPress.com Managed Hosting. Thanks to dedicated CPU, RAM and SSD storage, your site loads quickly and handles traffic spikes effortlessly. Plus, with automated updates, you'll always have the latest features and security patches, keeping your site secure and running without hassle. Global Edge caching also ensures content reaches visitors faster, no matter where they are. WordPress.com Managed Hosting sets a high standard when it comes to optimizing your website's performance, security, and ease of use. Its plans offer a range of tailored options like pre-installed WordPress, automatic updates, and custom caching solutions, making everything easier from the start. Each plan is packed with features designed to make your website faster and easier to manage. With access to over 50,000 plugins, plus design templates and integrations, you have everything you need to customize your site just the way you want. Plus, with unlimited bandwidth and support for unlimited visitors, your site can easily scale up or down no matter the type of website you're running. For developers, WordPress.com Managed Hosting includes valuable tools like SFTP SSH, free staging, WP CLI, and Git, which make managing and deploying your site a breeze. These tools give you complete control from file transfers to version management. However, it's important to remember that some advanced features are only available with higher tier plans. And because security is crucial in the online world, WordPress.com Managed Hosting ensures you won't be disappointed. Offering regular malware scans and the automatic removal of suspicious files, you don't need to worry about threats sneaking into your site. WordPress.com also runs real-time security scans that constantly check for vulnerabilities, keeping your site safe around the clock. Even with all of that, one of the standout security features is the Web Application Firewall, which acts like a security guard, blocking threats like SQL injections and cross-site scripting attacks. WordPress.com also protects against distributed denial of service attacks, which can mess up your site. With automated data center failover, your site is backed up to a second data center in real time. So even if one data center goes down, your site continues to run smoothly. On top of all that, WordPress.com uses isolated infrastructure, meaning that your site is kept separate from others. This not only boosts your site's security, but also performance. Since you're not sharing resources with potentially vulnerable sites, you get extra protection that keeps your site healthy and running without worry. WordPress.com Managed Hosting offers a variety of plans to meet different needs and budgets, whether you're running a personal blog or managing a large business website. The personal plan is ideal for individuals or small blogs, providing essential features to get you started. If you need more advanced tools and resources, the premium plan offers additional options to help grow your site. For those with larger websites or more demanding needs, the business plan can cover it all. Although WordPress.com Managed Hosting doesn't include free trials or refunds, it does offer a free forever version. This option is perfect for anyone just starting their online journey, as it provides all the basics for exploring the platform and familiarizing yourself with it before deciding if you want to upgrade to a paid plan. If you're considering a long-term commitment, you can take advantage of discounts of up to 69%, which vary depending on the length of your billing cycle. When it comes to customer service, WordPress.com Managed Hosting steps up its game to ensure you're not left hanging. The Help Center is packed with guides, FAQs, and even courses and webinars, so finding answers is easy. If you're unsure where to start, the WordPress.com chatbot has your back. You just need to type your question and it will guide you to the most relevant articles or tutorials. But live chat support is also available if you prefer talking to a real person. While it may take about a day to get a response, when support does get back to you, they are friendly and effective. Plus, there's a community forum where you can find and share tips with your peers, which is an excellent resource for connecting with others.
Thanks, Askia. WordPress.com managed hosting is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to build a strong online presence. Offering excellent performance, robust security, and a wide range of tools, it appeals to every type of user, from beginner to developer. With perks like a free domain for the first year and enhanced site performance for WordPress sites, your website will be ready for whatever comes its way. While there's a bit to learn, especially if you're new to website building, and some advanced features are only available with higher tier plans, the provider's impressive cost-to-value ratio is hard to ignore. WordPress.com managed hosting is perfect for bloggers, small business owners, and developers who need a reliable, scalable platform that can grow with their needs. If you're still curious about this provider, make sure to check out our written review at bestreviews.net. See you next time.
Thanks for watching our video review. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!